We've spent decades searching for alien life on distant planets and moons. But what if we have been looking in the wrong place? Some scientists believe that Earth itself may be home to a hidden ecosystem, a shadow biosphere filled with life forms that are completely unlike anything we have ever seen. Could we be sharing our planet with a form of life that operates by different biological rules? And if so, why haven't we found it yet? Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll explore a shocking discovery that suggests alien life might be hiding in plain sight on planet Earth. The shadow biosphere is the idea that Earth could have a completely separate form of life. One that doesn't share the same biology as plants, animals, and microbes that we know. All known life on Earth is based on DNA, RNA, and carbon-based molecules. But what if there were organisms using completely different chemistry, ones we simply haven't recognized yet? They could be hiding in extreme environments, inside our own bodies, or even right in front of us, and we just don't have the tools to detect them. But is there any actual evidence of this hidden life? Earth is already home to some of the strangest life forms imaginable, organisms that survive in conditions that should be impossible. Extremophiles, microbes that thrive in boiling water, acidic lakes, or inside solid rock. Deep-sea aliens, bacteria that survive without sunlight, using toxic chemicals instead of oxygen. Arsenic life. In 2010, NASA scientists found bacteria in California's Mono Lake that might be using arsenic instead of phosphorus, a completely different form of biochemistry. If life can exist in places this extreme, could an entire hidden biosphere be right under our noses? If a shadow biosphere exists, it could mean that life on Earth has multiple origins, some forms based on our standard DNA, and others that evolved separately using an alien-like chemistry. This would mean Earth might have two or more biospheres coexisting, but we have only detected the one we are familiar with. Some scientists suggest that strange, unexplained biological behaviors, like mysterious nanobacteria or viruses that don't fit into known categories, could be part of this hidden world. And if we find it, it could completely change our understanding of life itself. If the shadow biosphere exists, where would we find it? Scientists have a few theories. Deep beneath Earth's surface, some researchers believe that unknown microbes may exist kilometers underground, living off chemical energy instead of sunlight. In toxic or radioactive environments, places like radioactive waste sites or acidic lakes could host life that operates by completely different biological rules. Inside us, some speculate that shadow biosphere organisms might even exist inside human bodies, functioning in ways we haven't yet recognized. Could it be that alien-like life forms have been on Earth this whole time, and we just haven't looked in the right places? There have already been some mysterious discoveries that might hint at a shadow biosphere, but they remain controversial. Nano life. Some researchers have reported finding extremely tiny organisms that don't fit into any known life category. Some believe they could be part of a hidden biosphere. The arsenic bacteria debate. In 2010, scientists thought they found bacteria that could use arsenic instead of phosphorus. But follow-up studies questioned the results. Strange viruses. Some viruses have genetic structures that seem too different from known life. Could they be relics from an alternate biochemistry? If these discoveries are real, they could be our first glimpse into an alien-like ecosystem on Earth. But could we ever prove it? One of the biggest challenges of finding a shadow biosphere is that we may not have the right tools to detect it. Scientists are developing new methods, including next-generation microscopy, new imaging techniques that can detect ultra-small life forms beyond our current limits, artificial life simulations. Scientists are trying to create synthetic life in the lab to test if alternative biochemistries are possible, AI-powered data analysis, Machine learning is helping researchers look for biological anomalies that could indicate unknown life forms. Could we soon have the technology to finally reveal a hidden biosphere? If a shadow biosphere exists on Earth, it would prove something incredible, that life doesn't just evolve once, but can emerge in multiple ways. If life has multiple origins here, that means the chances of finding it on Mars, Europa, or exoplanets skyrocket. Instead of life being rare, it might be a universal phenomenon, popping up whenever the right conditions appear. Could this mean that the universe is teeming with alien ecosystems, each using a completely different chemistry? And if so, could we one day communicate with them? The idea of a shadow biosphere is one of the most fascinating mysteries in science, a potential hidden world of unknown life forms existing alongside us on Earth. If we find it, it could mean that life is far more common than we ever imagined. What do you think? Could an alien-like biosphere be hiding on Earth? And if we find it, what would that mean for the search for life in the universe? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love deep space and alien mysteries, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We have so much more to explore. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.